Welcome back, everybody. This is 25 Invested here, and we are going to take a look at my portfolio. I am not on the camera this time. I am still in my pajamas. I just got done my taxes. It is tax season. May 1st was the deadline in Canada for taxes, and I just did them yesterday, and I got paid back about $1,000. So I'm pretty happy there. My wife actually got paid back almost $2,500. So tax season was good this year. Very good. Thank God. I'm always so stressed out around tax season. They did not do any sort of tax. Like I didn't need to pay anything on my dividends paid through my TFSA, even though they were American equities. But I did found out that I should not be holding any more than $100,000 worth of U.S. equities that I bought. And that might also translate a little weird into XEQT because it's harder to decipher how much I spent on American equities or not. Either way, let's get into it. What is going on? On the one day, this is Friday, I got 0%, $4. Damn right. On the weekly, 0% as well. We were flat all week. Wow. That is hilarious. It's very funny to watch my money wait an entire week and not move at all. Just means that the market did not have a very eventful week, for me at least. Over the 1 month, I am up 3%. Over the 3 months, I'm up 5%. Over the 1 year, I'm also up 5%. $2,850. And over all time, I'm up 3%. But let's focus on this yearly, because I have a chart on my phone right now that I'm looking at, and that is the year to date on VOO, QQQ, and DJI, Dow Jones Industrial, SPY, and the NASDAQ. And currently, Dow Jones Industrial is down 3%. So on the yearly, I'm beating the Dow, which is what I wanted, because I built my portfolio like the NASDAQ, like QQQ. So 11% down on QQQ year to date, and I am 5% up. So I'm currently winning, but it won't always be like that, and I know that for sure. I wish that there was a way for me to overlay my chart, like my own chart, versus any one particular stock with Wealthsimple. That would be an awesome thing if they let me do that, but they don't, so oh well. Scrolling down, we will take a look at what is going on. I'm currently still up on Apple. I am currently still down on Algonquin. I mean, nothing's changed over last week to this week. $36 changed, so not a whole lot. We're still losing on our losers, winning on our winners, and that's just how she is. I'm still 30% down Algonquin. I'm not gonna sell. I'm not selling Algonquin, but I am certainly not buying yet. So we got to see some things change. We got to see them, start paying back some of their debt in a quite a magnificent way. So nothing on Algonquin. Still up 17% on Berkshire Hathaway. Damn it, because I was really hoping to get my buy order filled, which means now it's got to fall like 20%. I might have to chase that one up. I might have to set my buy order a little higher than I'd like. I already set my buy order a little higher than I'd like for BlackRock, BLK, and I'm not about to do that yet with Berkshire Hathaway. Caterpillar, still sitting on my plus 9%. Dream Industrial, plus 19%. God damn, that's been hauling. Nice, very cool. Dollarama, up 58% now, getting up there a lot more. Let's take a look at the 3 month. Yeah, so it's just been absolutely climbing and climbing and climbing. Dollarama, just like Dollar General, has been a fantastic stock to own. So we'll go back down. So Empire REIT, minus 1%. Google still down 9%. I'm actually surprised at how long I've been in the negatives here for Google. Intel, down 10%. That is not nearly as bad as I used to feel about this stock. Meta Platforms, same deal, but these have fired up. These two have fired up in such a major way recently. I can't help but to think it's going to elastic band right back down for at least for a little while. Manulife Financial, up 15%. very cool. I would like that to hit my mean and maybe even a bit lower for me to average down. I'd love to double the size of my position in Manulife. I'm not doing that though at 26. Microsoft, I'm up 8%. Wow, I did average down on that one, so very cool. NEWT down 52%. I do believe this is a new low for this stock for me, so maybe it's worth looking into. I'm gonna take a look at why it is where it is. If they started buying back their own shares, what's going on with NEWT? I'm gonna take a look, reevaluate NEWT probably this week. Next is REITs. I'm up 1.74%. SRU, nothing. BIG, nothing. Walmart, 15%. Wow, that's way more than I thought it would be. That ended up being a surprising winner. So cool. And XEQT, I'm officially in the positives. Even though it's 1%, it is still $150 in the positive. God damn, I have a lot of XEQT. It's going to be a shame though, because every time I average in where it is right now at about 1%, I will be averaging up on the stock. So unfortunate, but XEQT is my go-to, and it is the largest part of my portfolio, and I need to keep it that way. What is it right now? 26.5. It has been fluctuating back and forth between 26 and 28. I would really like it over 30, so I don't know if I might just pull the plug when it hits my average again and just dump, you know, $1,000 or $2,000 more in XEQT just to bring it up to a higher percentage of my portfolio. However, every time it goes down, it means that I did something good with something else, because as other portions of my portfolio rise, this one should get smaller. So if I play my cards right and I do everything as well as I can, and then XEQT should always be a diminishing part of my portfolio, and I should always have to be actively trying to top it up. So other than that, guys, that's it. Guys and girls, actually it's just guys. I looked at my my statistics, and let me tell you what, it is just men who watch my channel. I'm not even exaggerating. Well, for some reason we gained like $150. I couldn't tell you why. Anyways, that's it. That's all. I don't know. What's new? What's new with you guys? If you made it this far, thank you very much. If you didn't, thank you very much for at least coming in to take a look. I'm getting promoted at work. I've been getting promoted quite a bit lately. I am, some of you guys don't know, I'm a gas technician. I'm a sheet metal mechanic. I've been working on air conditioners too. I've been learning every piece of my job, and I've been running my own van. So 27, turning on 50, I've started running my own van. I have a helper. He's some high school kid who is just a hilarious, fantastic young man. Things are looking up. I went to school. I'm doing what I went to school for, finally, which wasn't always the case. I took a long time and did a lot of other things other than specifically what I went to school for. So, you know, things like masonry, carpentry, general contracting, and it's just nice to see my pay get raised in such a substantial amount, and take on more responsibility where I have people actively relying on what I tell them and the directions I give, and that's such a unique feeling, something that I didn't think that I would like, and something that turns out I bloody well love. Anyways, guys, see you next time. Bye now.